friends, today we're going to learn how to make a slip stitch. And first of all, you have to make some stitches in your magic ring. And I'm just making a 6 single crochet on the round 1 and increase each stitch around on round 2. So at the end of this round, I have total of 12 stitches here. And now I'm going to make slip stitch around each stitch here. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and now pull through the loop on your hook. This is your first slip stitch. And I'm going to mark this one so you can see how it looks like at the end. Okay, let's do it again. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and then pull through the loop on your hook. Insert your hook in the next one, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and pull through the loop on your hook. Okay, I'm going to make it faster. If you can try pull through it all at once, like this. Pull through it all at once. This is how you make your slip stitch. Okay, and this is how your slip stitch look like. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. For more amigurumi tutorial for beginners, you can check out my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.